welcome to my channel. My dad brought How to Train Your Dragon Toothless Mask from Kmart. And these are the tools we need to open it. We just need a scissor. A sharp scissor, yeah. And then... Okay, there's no scissor tape on it. And is there any sticky tape, Doctor?
Let me see.
My dad's gonna open, okay? Guys?
Here? There's one here.
Okay. We can remove it with our hands or something.
Okay. What are the features you can see here?
The features I know, like this.
No, you can see the lights.
There's
And-
lights and roads.
What is
And
this?
there's
Smoke?
also smoke coming out, yeah?
Okay.
It's closing his mouth. And then when you open your mouth, just this mouth, you see this? See that when you open it like that? Look, ready?
Oh, right.
It looks really weird, yeah?
Mhm.
Really weird.
Let's open the rest.
Okay, you open this, guys.
Bring it over here. I'll help you.
That's it.
Yeah, there's one here.
Another one.
Mhm.
Good. Oh, goody.
Right.
Oh, look. Got these parts.
Look. You
Look. We got this one.
got the instruction. Yeah?
Yep. Guys,
What should you do first?
we got the parts and the instructions.
Yeah, first you have to read the instructions. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's just pop that.
Oh,
And we also got this.
what is that?
It's really, I don't know, what's that?
Ah.
Guys, I don't know how to get this out. Oh, yeah.
Show me.
And do you heard that? That's my sister. She's going to bed, yeah.
No. Pull this one.
Put that?
Pull
yeah.
this one. Right. Right.
Okay, you see this?
There's another one. Yeah, I can hear.
Close your mouth, man. You don't need to talk to me like that. Taking sticky tape. I just read that. It's really good.
Yeah.
And then this is all I know. Is it not?
Now read the user manual, Raven.
It's too big for me.
Yeah, we can adjust anyway. Lift this one.
I think that's not how you put it. And then you connect these parts. This one.
You know how to do that? No.
Can you do that?
Hold this
Wait.
one.
It goes like this.
Right.
That's the good. Then you just need to put this one in the other jaw. Just like snaps. Only when it snaps, you can do it.
On the other side, yeah.
Side?
Correct, yes. Is that all? Nice.
And then you have this one.
Yeah. So,
Look, you need batteries.
mhm.
There's already batteries inside.
I think you need to do something with this one. See, you have to put, I think, some water.
Tata?
Ah, yeah, water.
Tata?
Hmm?
This sprays out water?
I think the smokes come from there.
Tata?
Ah,
Look.
right.
Tata, this part is for your chin.
Mm-hmm.
Over here.
Now, let me adjust this one. We'll remove this one. Wait. Alright, wait. Remove this one.
No, wait.
No, don't cut. I think it has to remove safely, isn't it? No?
No, it is already removed safely.
Give me. No. Wait. I'll remove it. Maybe pull this down.
I see your hands on this.
Oh, how come?
Guys, I just see this. My dad is really silly. I just fixed it. Now, we're going to try on. Okay, this is how the mask looks like. Okay. We got all the details on. Yeah, we got the horns on. We got the stuff on. Blah, blah, blah. And then, okay. Let's put this mask on. Do I look really silly?
No, you're nice. You're nice. I can see your eyes. Oh, very nice. We'll put some water and try, okay? Yeah?
To spray everywhere in the house?
No, it will.
No, the water will be the fire.
It will give the smoke. Yeah?
Okay, guys. My dad, we think the smoke will be the fire. That's why we got the water and we're gonna put it in here.
So, yeah, put it this side and do it slowly, yeah?
It's not even coming.
No, it is coming. It's going inside. Yeah. And that's it, finish.
But I see there's no water.
No, the water go on inside. So now we'll close it properly. Right, now try.
Is something coming out?
Not yet. What should we do?
That's how look ready?
I think it may take some time, isn't it? What do you think?
Tata, when I'm doing this, that means I'm fighting someone, okay?
Yeah. I'll go over there and come back.
Where we're in the darkness?
Yeah.
In the darkness?
I'll switch off the light.
Switch off the light.
Be careful, there are...
Switch off the lights, man.
I'll switch off the other one.
Yes.
Wait. Oh, like a dragon.
Okay, there's no snow coming.
It will come. It may take some
I
time.
have to go from the solar system to it.
Now do. Can you see? No.
I didn't even put that on. Wait, when I put...
Done?
Yes.
Oh, I can see. Go, roll. Where are you? I barely see. Let me switch on the light.
Put it the light on.
Yeah.
Look, I was not even scared.
That's all.
Yo, man, can you try?
Say
Please?
bye-bye to everybody.
Bye-bye, everybody. See you from the next video. Bye-bye.
Yeah, do. Smoke coming. Yay. Very nice. Oh. Wow.
It is just me. I'm not Night Fury.
Mhm.